What we have here is a Wltoys V222. I did 2 mods to it. The battery wire plug is too short. I'm sure people that do have this, they know that. You're always knocking off your shell and all that. It's a pain in the butt. What I did is I made a SJT plug extension cord. Pretty much what it is. Plugs in nice. Just wrap it around. It's easy to plug in and unplug. You can get these wires, these plugs on eBay, like $3 for like 10 of them. The second mod I did was put a fisheye lens on the stock camera. Now the only thing you have to do is you have to like get a Dremel. I had to grind around the lens, around it and on the front, so this would fit around the stock camera lens and deep enough where I could epoxy glue it onto the frame. And you have to glue the lens because it swivels up and down anyway, so you gotta glue it so it stays straight. Works out really well, as you can see. Let me do a zoom here. Get a close up right here, and then what you do is you glue it on the top so the lens doesn't swivel up and down from the main frame of the camera. And I have videos that I will be posting before with just the stock lens and after with the fisheye lens. And that's it.